What's going on, guys? Emmy here, and today I'm unboxing the TaoTronics active noise canceling headphones. I believe these are the TT-BH090. So let's get right into it. You can see starting out with the credit card knife. Just to open the box. Don't want to show you the address because that's not the kind of stuff I want to be showing on YouTube. Let's get into it. So I believe these, there was a good discount on these, and I saw they were 35 hours of battery life. So I was like, let's check them out. So like that, just some packaging stuff. And, so here they are. SoundSurge 90 active noise cancelling wireless stereo headphones. So, yep. Let's just open them right here and get into it. So, they come in a case, and that's basically all that's in the box. Ooh. Gift card. You get a gift card for free. Sign in with your account. Write a product review. Oh, I saw the reviews were good on these. Didn't know they did this kind of thing. $20 to give a 5-star review. I don't know. It's a little sus. We'll see how the headphones are though. And come in this case. Just put this away. They come in this hard case. Pretty strong. Let's open them up and see what they're like. Okay. That's pretty nice. That's pretty nice. So comes with some user guide. User guide and 3.5mm headphone cable and charging cable. And I believe these are, yep. So these are USB-C. Which is pretty nice for modern headphones. So you can just put these in the case, take them wherever you want to go, make sure they withstand, you know, any kind of bumping around in your bag or any of that kind of stuff. So just based off first feel, they feel definitely plasticky, but they're heavy. They're for sure heavier than a lot of headphones I've ever used. Which could be a good thing, could be a bad thing, but let's pair them and see how it goes. So these are Bluetooth, of course. Just click on the power button. Power on, battery high, pairing. Let's go to Bluetooth. TaoTronics SoundSurge 90, and they are connected. So that's the right side, that's the left. They don't feel too strong. Just the first feel, I feel like they're definitely sound isolating. Noise canceling feels pretty good, but they don't feel too comfortable. So these cushions right here, definitely could be better, but I was barely hearing my voice when I had those on. So let's just go and play something real quick. So we'll just play something right here, put these on. So you can hear these right here. I'd say they're decent for the price for sure. So I'm not sure what this, I think this button's for noise cancellation. So that's ANC off. And let's test the difference. I definitely feel like there's a difference between the two. There's definitely more bass when you put anti on. Maybe that's just because they isolate a little bit better. But yeah, we'll have to see about the battery life and stuff. But overall, for the price, these seem like they're definitely usable. Have to test them out in the gym or something. Let me know if you guys want a review. That's pretty much it though. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in a later video.